Hi, I'm standing in front of one of my two listings located in the city of Colton. This is 261 Stevens Street, and it's three bedrooms, one bathroom, 644 square feet. This is actually a flip property that was done by one of my investors, which is a team that goes around and they purchase properties and fully rehab them, and we place them back on the market for sale. This is a great home if you're looking for a starter home, or if you're a beginning investor, you can get some ideas on how you can remodel your listings and how you can stage them very tastefully so that they attract more buyers from the market. So let's take a tour.